Hello lovely humans, I'm Aliana of Go Aliana Go, and I'm on the mission to inspire you to embrace the beauty of beautiful life. Day 3.
I'm no longer apologizing for my healing at my own pace, like forgetting or looking differently in my world, or being sensitive, emotional, or joyful like a child. Well, because this is not weakness, this is purity. I'm no longer apologize for the people who too much or not enough, the people who never saw me the depth of my fight. I'm no longer apologizing for the ways I've been and I've changed since my aneurysm. Every single moment is a miracle. It's not only about me, it's everyone. I'm not naive. I am wise in ways pain only teaches me. I am brave in ways no one else can understand. I'm not here to please the past. I'm here to embrace the life I was given back. I am strong because I choose to, and I will keep going. Go, Aliana, go. Go, go. Have a wonderful day and talk to you and see you tomorrow.